My name is Alicia Brooks, and I'm a writing coach, and I'm a writer of several novels and screenplays, and a writer's book just for you. And I want to help you overcome writer's block for good. On the block, I want to talk to you a little bit about some situations I've seen some of you in, and I've heard from authors that they forgot what their characters were like. So from the beginning to the end of the book, the character was different. And I'm not talking about a character arc. You know, you should have a character arc. But I'm talking about their hair color, their eye color, you know, whether they have teeth or a tooth is missing. So anyways, I really want you to understand that you should have a card catalog or a notebook. I like character chart. See? So this is obviously empty, but you can create this character chart and write down the traits of your characters and put them in a notebook so that when you get to a point where you're describing someone, that it's proper, you know. Especially if you have a romance scene where suddenly the main character is looking into her blue eyes, but they were green when you described them in the beginning. So if the narrator says he's looking into her blue eyes, then there's something wrong. Now, if he says, I love your blue eyes, this is actually really great for the book or the screenplay, because you have some options here, you know. You can have the woman be like, I've got green eyes, not blue eyes. So then she comes back and says something, or, you know, something of that sort. So there are ways you can play with it if it's said by the characters. But if it's the narrator who's making that mistake, you know, that's why I'm saying you have got to have a little notebook and have your pages in that notebook, and you should have the name of your character and all of his traits all lined up. So if he goes scuba diving with his best friend, well, he better like scuba diving. In the beginning of the book, you better not have said he's just afraid of water. So it's very important. Keep your characters in a book or in a card catalog. If you want to use your computer and keep them on an Excel spreadsheet, that's also fine. I tend to think that paper is better, because then you can access it. If you're writing on your computer and you have a notebook next to you with the characters, it's easy to just flip to that character versus looking at all your different screens. So make it easy on yourself. Make your books easy to find and your chapters easy to find so that you can locate the information you need. All right? Good. If this video has inspired you and you'd like to know more, send me a message below.